Are you thinking of buying real estate in Costa Rica, or maybe a villa in Italy, or that beachfront home in Mexico City? So how do you protect these investments as part of your estate plan that you have in the United States? There are a lot of things that you need to consider before you make that purchase to protect you and your family. Let's say you do own property in a foreign country and you have a last will and testament or a trust in the United States. Well, that document may not work the way you think it's going to work once you cross that border. These hills here are tough, and you could be facing an uphill battle with your real estate in a foreign country if you don't do it right. That hill was actually really tough. I had to stop and get a drink.
Cheers!
In many European countries, and Latin American countries for that matter, they use what's called a forced heirship when it comes to property inheritance. And basically what that means is that, well, you can't leave your property to whoever you want to. You have to follow the laws in that country. And that means that trying to enforce that trust that you did in the United States, well, it could be a nightmare, like that hill I just did. That's why that if you do own real estate in a foreign land, you probably need to work with an estate planning attorney in that country to make certain that your wishes are honored and there will be an easy transition of that property to your loved ones or whatever you want to do in your estate plan. And we actually work on a regular basis with attorneys and law firms in other countries to make certain that our clients have their properties aligned with their wishes. And it really depends on, well, what country you have your property in. Here in Costa Rica, for example, one of the biggest recommendations that anybody you talk to will say is that you should have your real estate lawyer lined up sometimes even before you even look at property. Because here, it sounds like the real estate attorneys are the ones who actually do the closing. They are kind of like the title company, and they find mistakes that are in titles. They are the ones who are a lot of times able to determine whether somebody is actually scamming you to buy that beautiful beachfront property. So it's really important in whatever country you're in to probably talk to a law firm first to actually see what the laws are, see what the process is, and make sure you're following everything step by step, and that you don't get scammed in that foreign country, and ultimately that you make certain that that property is, like I said, aligned with your trust, with what your wishes are. The good news is it's not about bureaucracy in whatever foreign country you're in. It's just working within the laws of that country. And that's why it's so important to, like here in Costa Rica or wherever you are, is to contact a law firm that specializes in estate planning, specializes in real estate, and can help make that transaction as smooth as possible for you, and to make certain that your wishes are followed if anything should happen to you. We have regularly seen estate plans work really well when the people have properties in other countries and are able to hire people in real estate and estate planning to make certain that their wishes are taken care of. So if you're looking to move to another country or just buy a vacation home, make sure that your estate plan is done correctly here first in the United States, and then second, make sure you hire somebody to make certain that it's done correctly in whatever country that is, whether it's Costa Rica, Mexico, Italy, some other country that is your dream spot to live.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.